In this video, we're going to show you how to do an oil change on your Nissan Rogue. Let's go ahead and remove our center cap here, reach behind that and pull outward. Using a 21mm socket, let's go ahead, loosen and remove these lug nuts. Go ahead and grab that wheel. Remove it and set it aside. From underneath the vehicle, you want to go ahead and access the oil pan. There are two pans underneath. One is a transmission pan. The one to the right side, passenger side, is the oil pan, so make sure we drain this one here. Using our 14mm socket. Have your catch can underneath. Now I want to go ahead and clean off the old residual gasket here. You can use a pick. I'm going to try and get underneath the old material. Go ahead and install the crush washer here. That's going to thread right on. And once that's seated like so, go ahead and put this back onto the oil pan. Okay, give that a quick wipe down. I want to get and torque down the drain plug bolt here to 25 foot-pounds. Want to remove this side cover here. We're going to use our trim tool and we're going to try and pop the center of these buttons out. And then pull the retainers. These plastic buttons here, they should come out with your trim tool. Ours is literally just crumbling apart. Now if yours are crumbling apart like ours, you're going to want to go ahead and source some replacement buttons. You can spin off the oil filter. Have your catch can underneath. Now before installing our oil filter, what we're going to do is we like to prime the oil filter. We're going to add engine oil to this here. Take some of this oil here and put it around the rubber seal. That'll help it slide on a little bit easier and seal up. I'm going to use a towel here and clean the surface where the oil filter is going to go. You want to make sure that's clean of any debris. Go ahead and take that oil filter. Go ahead and spin that on. You want that to be nice and tight, but it shouldn't be any more than hand tight on there. So make sure it's fully seated. We'll install our side cover. You want to go ahead and grab your original clips if you have them. Take your wheel, line it up, get that set on, and let's go ahead and install all the lug nuts by hand. Get them started a few threads. Once we have all those started, let's go ahead and snug those down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Once you're all torqued down, install your center cap. You'll pay attention to the notch here on the cap. That's where your valve stem is going to go. Go ahead and locate your oil fill cap right here. And then grab the funnel. Make sure it's a nice clean funnel. Now this engine takes 4.9 quarts of oil. Take into consideration the amount of oil that you did put into the oil filter already. Use the appropriate oil that is recommended for this engine. I'm going to add 4.5 quarts of oil on the top end here. And I'm going to go ahead and start the engine, let it run for about 10 to 15 seconds. Go ahead and check that oil level and add as necessary. Let's go ahead and check that oil level. Our oil level is closer to the top dot here on the level, and that is perfect. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.